Good morning, girls. Today we discuss about the functions of human resource management. The functions of human resource management can be easily understood by knowing the duties performed by welfare officer mentioned in Central Model Rule 7 of Section 49 of the Factories Act 1948. The duties are as follows. Number 1, to establish contracts and hold consultations with a view to maintain harmonious relations between factory management and workers. Number 2, to bring to the notice of the factory management the grievance of the workers, individual as well as collective, with a view to securing their expeditions, redress, and to act as a negotiating officer with trade union. Third, function to deal with wage and employment matters by joint consultations with the factory management and workers representatives bodies. And fourth function, to study and understand the point of view of the labor in order to help factory management to share and formulate labor policies and to interpret the policies to the workers in language they can understand. And fifth, to watch the industrial relations with a view of using his influence in the event of dispute between factory management and workers and to help them in bringing about a settlement by persuasive efforts. And next function, to exercise a restraining influence over workers going on illegal strikes and over management declaring illegal lockouts and to help in preventing anti-social activities. And next function, to promote relations between factory management and workers which will ensure productive efficiency as well as amelioration in the working conditions and to help workers to adjust and adapt themselves to the working environment. Next, to encourage the formation of works and joint production committee, cooperative societies, and safety first and welfare committees and to supervise their work. To ensure provision of amenities such as canteens, shelters for rest, crèches, adequate latrine facilities, drinking water, sickness and benevolent scheme, payments, pensions and superannuation funds, gratuity payments, granting of loans and legal advice to workers. And last function is to secure welfare provisions such as housing facilities, food stuffs, social and recreational facilities, sanitations, advice on individual personal problems, and education of children. Now, okay, girls.